Why does shopping in English feel like a test?
Because no one teaches you the real phrases.
Today, we're changing that. Hey everyone, I'm Sophia.
And I'm Jason. Welcome to our channel, where we make English less stressful and more real.
Today's topic? Shopping English. The actual phrases you hear in stores and what to say back without panicking.
If you've ever frozen at a checkout or avoided asking for help because you didn't know how to say it,
This lesson is for you.
and if you want more practical English like this, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We post new lessons every week.
Also, smash the like button if shopping in English stresses you out. Let's feel less alone in this.
All right, let's jump in.
So, Jason, walk me through this. I enter a shop.
First seconds. The greeting trap.
Hi, how are you today? And I panic because I think I need to answer properly.
You don't. Listen, they say, "How are you?" You can just say, "Good, thanks." "Fine, thank you." Or even just, "Hi."
That's it?
That's enough. They're being polite, not asking about your life. In America, you might hear, "How's it going?" Same thing, just, "Good, thanks."
What if they say something fast, like, Hiya, finding everything okay?
Two options. Yes, thank you. Or if you need help, actually, I'm looking for.
So I don't need a full conversation?
Never. Keep it short, keep it friendly, move on.
Okay, I'm in the store, I've survived the greeting. Now what?
Now comes the part where most people really freeze.
Asking for help?
Exactly. You're looking for something. You need help.
My problem. I forget the English word.
Classic. Okay, here's the magic structure. Do you have plus describe it.
But I don't know the word.
Describe what it does. Example, you forgot phone charger.
Uh, do you have the thing for charging my phone?
Perfect. They'll understand. Or, I need something to charge my phone.
What about clothes?
Describe it. Do you have this in blue? I'm looking for a warm jacket. Do you have jeans?
Do I say jeans or a jeans?
Just jeans. Same with pants, shorts, glasses.
And if I need a different size?
Perfect timing. Let's talk about that.
Because this is confusing.
Sizes. Super simple.
But sizes are different everywhere. In my country, I'm size 42.
You can say, "Do you have this in a medium?" "What size is this?" Or just, "Do you have a bigger one or a smaller one?"
I don't need to know S, M, L.
It helps, but you can point and say, "One size bigger, please."
What about shoes?
"Do you have this in a 38?" Or, "Do you have size 38?" If you don't know your UK size, "I'm usually a 38 in Europe. What's that here?"
They will help me convert?
Always. Now, trying things on.
Wait, how do I even ask to try something on?
Good question.
I found something, I want to try it.
Say this, "Can I try this on?" Or just, "Where's the fitting room?"
They might say, the fitting rooms are at the back.
You say, "Thank you. Go try it on."
It doesn't fit.
Come out and say, "Do you have this in a larger size?" It's too small. It's too tight.
What if it's perfect?
You don't need to tell them, just take it to the checkout. Or if they ask, "How was it?" you can say, "It's good, I'll take it." "Perfect, thanks."
This is enough?
This is enough.
All right, I found something I like, but before I buy it.
You want to know about the price.
Exactly. Is there a sale?
Look for signs first. Sale, 50% off, clearance. If you're not sure, ask, "Is this on sale? Is there a discount?"
What if there's no price tag?
"How much is this?" Or, "What's the price?"
They say it's $29.99.
You can say, "Okay, I'll take it." Or, Let me think about it. Thank you.
If I don't want it?
I'll think about it is the perfect escape phrase. No need to explain.
No guilt?
Zero guilt. You're a customer, not a prisoner.
Speaking of saying no,
Yes, let's talk about how to actually say yes and no naturally. Quick tip, how to say yes and no like a native.
I only know yes and no.
That works, but here are some natural alternatives.
Natural?
The way native speakers actually say it. For yes, sure. Yeah, that's fine. Sounds good. For no, I'm okay, thanks. No, I'm good. Not today, thank you.
Not today. I love that.
It's polite, final, and doesn't need explanation.
Okay, I've decided. I'm buying it. I'm going to the checkout.
Here we go, the final boss. Checkout time.
This is where I died last time.
Let's bring you back to life. You're at the register. They might say, "Did you find everything okay? Do you need a bag? Card or cash? Do you have a loyalty card?"
Fast questions, I freeze.
You don't need perfect answers. Listen. Did you find everything okay? Yes, thanks. Do you need a bag? Yes, please. Or, no, I'm okay. Card or cash? Card, please. Do you have a loyalty card? No, I don't. Or, not today.
That's literally all I need?
That's all.
But what if something goes wrong?
Let's cover that.
What if my card doesn't work?
Happens all the time. They'll usually say, it didn't go through. Try again? You can say, let me try again. Or, can I use a different card?
What if the price is wrong?
Point at the tag and say, I think this is on sale. Or, the sign said £15. They'll check. No drama.
What if I don't understand the total?
Say, sorry, how much? Or, can you repeat that?
They won't think I'm stupid?
They deal with tourists every day. They're used to it.
Okay, good. But let's say I bought something, went home, and it's wrong.
Returns. Important topic.
I bought something, got home, it's wrong.
You can return it. Bring the receipt.
What do I say?
At the counter. I'd like to return this, please. Or, can I exchange this?
They ask why.
Keep it simple. It doesn't fit, or it's the wrong size, or I changed my mind.
What if they say, we can only do store credit?
That means you get money back, but only to spend in that shop. You can say, that's fine, or can I get a refund instead?
And if I don't have the receipt?
Some shops say no, but you can still try, I don't have the receipt. Is that okay? Worst case, they say no. You tried.
You know what the hardest part is in all of this?
What exactly?
When I just don't understand what they said.
The biggest fear, right?
Yes! I don't understand.
This is so normal. Use these. Sorry, can you repeat that? Could you say that again? A bit slower, please.
Will they be annoyed?
No, they want to help you. You're polite, you're clear, they'll repeat.
What if I still don't understand?
I'm sorry, I don't understand. Can you write it down? Works every time.
Or I can point.
Pointing is beautiful. Pointing is international. Use it.
Okay, before we finish, give me the cheat codes.
The phrases that work everywhere?
Exactly.
Before we wrap up, here are your magic phrases. These work anywhere.
Go.
First, excuse me. Use it to get attention. 2. I'm just looking, thanks. When they offer help, but you don't need it yet. 3. Can I think about it? When you're unsure. 4. I will come back. Polite exit. 5. Thank you so much. End every interaction warmly.
These work in every shop?
Grocery store, clothes, coffee shop, pharmacy, every single one.
But, Jason, I have to ask you something honestly.
Go ahead.
Okay, real talk. What if my pronunciation is bad?
They'll still understand you.
What if I make a grammar mistake?
They won't care.
What if I forget a word and just point?
That's communication. You're doing great.
So I don't need perfect English?
You need clear enough English. Big difference.
Clear enough. I like that.
Exactly. So let's do a quick recap.
What did we actually learn today?
Let's recap what you now know.
I can enter a shop and respond to greetings.
I can ask for help even when I forget the word.
I can try things on and talk about sizes.
I can ask about prices and discounts.
I can go through checkout without freezing.
I can return something if I need to.
And I can ask people to repeat or slow down.
You're not guessing anymore. You know what to say.
Now, your turn. Question for you.
What's the scariest shopping situation for you in English? Checkout? Trying on clothes? Returns?
Comment below. Let's talk about it.
And if this helped you feel even a little less stressed,
Hit that like button. Share this with someone who needs it.
next time you walk into a shop, you've got this.
You know what to say. You know what to expect.
Thanks for learning with us today.
See you in the next one.
Happy shopping!